Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we're going to look at the E-Yeeger S50 dash cam. Going to get a really nice box, so it's great for gifting. Very first thing is going to be the actual dash cam itself. It has about a 2-inch screen in the back. It's covered for protection. You'll peel that off. The next thing you're going to get that's important is going to be the suction cup itself. This is the back camera, and they give you an awful lot of cord that is all wrapped ready to go. They give you a little sticky piece for the back and some screws, so it makes it very simple and very easy to mount this. They are also going to give you the power cord. They are going to give you the little tool to be able to tuck the wire. So when you run these wires, say to the back, you use this tool to tuck around the sides and kind of get it around the doors and things like that, so you don't have just, ugly wire hanging all over your car. Instruction manual, and it has a lot of nice pictures. The printing is really good on it. It's not too small so that you can read it. The E-Yeeger S50 is a 2-channel system. It's going to use a 2.5K or 1440p front camera. The back camera is going to be an HD 1080p. It also uses what's called a wide lens, so it captures a lot more area than your typical dash cam is going to capture. Now this uses something called the starlight night sensor. The starlight night sensor is going to really excel in low light environments, and all of that is going to be recorded on an SD card, and they're going to even give you a 32 gigabyte SD card to get you started. It uses the loop function. So as that 32 gigabytes fills up, it will automatically loop and keep recording and erase the original beginning footage and start recording new footage over that. This uses the G sensor, so that if you hit the brakes real hard or if you have an accident, it's going to automatically start the recording and lock in recording so that you don't miss any critical footage. Now you can get the optional hardwire kit, and it uses that G sensor to be able to tell if your car has been hit or bumped in a parking lot or a parking garage, 24/7. Now this does have a 2-inch display so that you can see quite a bit in the front, and this is going to be controlled basically from a button to power on and off from the side. Right here has a little connector in the back, which you are going to run your back camera. So the E-Yeeger S5 is an actually great unit. You got to see a quick unboxing, an overcap, a quick install, a little bit of footage. I think it's a great system. If you're wanting something simple, something that goes in really fast, something that should last for a long time, I don't think you're going to go wrong with this system. If I was rating it on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars, mainly because of the simplicity of how easy it installed. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next one.